Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. We're glad that you could all join us today. My name's Arthur Hicken. I'm the Parasoft evangelist. Good to see you all, especially those of you that, like I, live on the West Coast, so it's a nice early start to your day. We've got some exciting things planned this year for our Software Testing and Compliance Summit with some great guests like Darktrace, Forrester, Lattice, and Volkswagen. So, just a quickie reminder for everyone, Parasoft has, been around for 30 plus years now, almost 35 really. And we have a complete continuous quality platform. We built all of our stuff ourselves, and we do everything from static code analysis, unit test coverage, metrics, functional test, end-to-end test, API testing, security testing, and centered especially around people who work in regulated, controlled, standards-driven environments. The platform has various tools. Probably some of you are users of our tools, and you can see how we fit into your development cycle. Again, C++ test is kind of a star for our embedded customers, .test as well. We have JTest for Java. We have virtualization. If you haven't looked at that, it's pretty interesting stuff. SOA test, which really does API testing, performance testing, functional testing, etc. And Selenic for our UI test automation. So some really great stuff. So today the speakers are going to be hitting a couple of different interesting topics. We're going to hear about modern DevOps and the complexity of modern applications today and how people are handling testing in these environments, especially where, again, compliance is required, where you have to produce evidence that will go off to an auditor. We want to also chat a little bit about security because it's just part of everything now, and we always have to be sure things are secure. So we'll have a discussion on that. And Ricardo and I, again, will have a deeper discussion on standards at the end. So if you've got questions, think them through and line them up there, and we'll try and answer them for you. We're glad that you could make it. Again, we've got these different QR codes that you can click on to get more information, schedule a very specific demo for your world, etc. If you're in the area, yeah, come by the booth and say hi to the crew of Embedded World. They'd be happy to chat with you. If you've got other specific topics, again, that you'd like to hear about, please reach out because we might already have a video, and if not, maybe we can make one for you. And if you're a Parasoft customer and you've got a story to tell, please let us know. We'd be happy to have you join us and share your story as well. So with that, thank you. Thanks to everyone for attending, and have a really great day, everyone. Bye-bye.